Yes, good afternoon, dear children. Welcome to the English class. So today we are going to start a new topic of English grammar, that is opposites. Yes, student, yes, you all know about the opposite. Yes, opposite जिसको हम हिंदी में क्या बोलते हैं, विलोम शब्द. Yes, first of all you have to know about the opposites. Yes, the words which has opposite meanings with each other are called opposite words or antonym. यस जो भी वर्ड्स होते हैं जिसका क्या होता है अपोजिट मीनिंग, मतलब उल्टा मीनिंग, अपोजिट मीनिंग होता है विद ईच अदर, एक दूसरे के अकॉर्डिंग क्या होता है उसका अपोजिट मीनिंग होता है. दिस इज कॉल्ड अपोजिट वर्ड्स एंड आल्सो कॉल्ड एंटोनिम्स. ओके स्टूडेंट. यस student, let's see few examples. Yes, you can see a maze as a here we can see the maze of opposites here. As the first one is here, closed, open. Okay, yes student, the closed and open. Closed is opposite word of open and open is opposite word of close. Next is here hot and cold, and another opposite word is here dirty and clean. Now another example of opposite, fat and thin. So fat, the opposite of thin, thin is opposite of fat. Next is here heavy and light. So here you notice that you can notice the image of the opposite. Yes, a boy and a girl. So the boy cannot carry the box and he can see the maze or some pebbles. Okay, or now we can see the image of a girl. She can carry a box because it is very light. So this is the opposite of heavy. Opposite of heavy here as a light. Okay, now you know that the when we make a opposite, as they are the words given here as a like, honest, obey, allow. So you notice that there are the some rules, so you make an opposite word. So let's start from the rules. Yes, rule number 1, some opposite words can be formed by adding dis before words. कुछ opposite जो words होते हैं उसका जो हम formation करते हैं उसमें हम add करते हैं dis. किसे, जो वर्ड्स गिवन है उससे पहले हम क्या यूज करेंगे, एज ए dis. So now let's see example. First one is here like. So we make a word, we make opposite, dislike. So before the like we use dis, like, dislike. Honest, dishonest. Obey, disobey. Allow, disallow. Clear? Now student, rule number 2, some opposite words can be formed by adding un before the words. For example, as a kind, happy, lucky, and well. Number 1 is here kind. So we make a word unkind. So we put we forming the word, we use un before the word, as a we use as a un before the word kind. So we make a word unkind. This is the opposite of kind. Now next is happy. We make a word as a unhappy. Next is here lucky, unlucky, well, unwell. So you notice that the we use as a un before the words. We make a opposite as a kind, unkind, happy, unhappy, lucky, unlucky, well, unwell. Now rule number 3, some opposite words are formed by adding in before words. कुछ अपोजिट जो वर्ड्स होते हैं जब उनकी जो हम फॉर्मेशन करेंगे तो हम क्या यूज करेंगे उसमें in before words, word से पहले. So here the word is here correct. So before we make a opposite from this word correct, so here we use as a in before the word as a correct, incorrect. Okay, direct, indirect, discipline, indiscipline, complete, incomplete. So here you notice that we use as a in before the word to make a opposite. Clear? Now rule number 4, some opposite words are formed by adding miss before words. कुछ opposites ऐसे होते हैं जब उनसे पहले हम add करते हैं miss, तो वो क्या हो जाते हैं, words का उनका opposites बन जाते हैं. तो उनकी जो formation है हम क्या use करेंगे, miss before the word. As the word given is here as a use, so we make a word as a misuse. Now next is here fortune, so we make a word as a misfortune. Clear student? Now rule number 5, some opposite words are formed by adding ir, il or im before words. देखिए कुछ opposite words होते हैं, हम जो कुछ opposite words होते हैं वो किससे formation करते हैं, किसको हम format अगर के हम क्या यूज करते हैं, एज ए अपोजिट बनते हैं, क्या यूज करते हैं हम उसमें ऐड करके ir, il, im. So word is given here rule, regular. So here we use here as a ir to make a opposite irregular. Clear? Next word is here legal, and we use il, so we make a opposite legal to illegal. Clear? Next is here possible. So here we use I am before the word. So here we make opposite of possible, impossible. Okay students, I hope we all understood the rules of the opposite. So here you notice that we use as a word use, misuse, fortune, misfortune, regular, irregular. So here don't be mistake that we use as a word use, so we don't use as a unused. So here we use as a particular object. Opposite is here as a misuse. This is a correct opposite. Okay, so here I am telling you about the rules of opposites. Now rule number 6, some opposite words are formed by replacing opposite prefix in the words. कुछ opposite words होते हैं, हमको उसमें क्या करेंगे, रिप्लेस करके मतलब जो भी आगे की जो 1 और 2 लेटर है उसको रिप्लेस करके हम एज ए यूज करेंगे प्रीफिक्स. फॉर एग्जांपल इनसाइड, आउटसाइड, इंडोर, आउटडोर. Okay student, clear? So here the one word is here as a inside. So here we replace as a I and we put as a use, we put as a prefix out. So inside we make a opposite as a outside. इंडोर, आउटडोर. तो हमने क्या किया, जो भी हमारे जो भी वर्ड हैं, जैसे इंडोर है तो इसमें हमने आई एन को रिप्लेस करके हमने क्या यूज किया, एज ए प्रीफिक्स यूज किया एज ए आउट. सो हियर वी बिकम अपोजिट, आउटडोर. Okay, now rule number 7, some words cannot be changed into opposite words by above rules and their opposite words are to remember. कुछ words ऐसे होते हैं जिसमें हम opposites बना सकते हैं, मतलब उसमें कुछ भी rules नहीं होते, हम cannot be change, हम उसमें change नहीं कर सकते जब हम उसके opposite बनाते हैं by above rules and their opposite words are to be remembered. तो इनके जो opposite words हैं आपको हमेशा याद रखने होंगे. जैसे for example bad, good. तो यहाँ पर कोई रूल फॉलो नहीं हो रहा. come, go, weak, strong, open, close. So here you notice that the words cannot be changed into opposite words. तो कुछ भी words हैं हम उसमें opposite words में rule के according उसमें change नहीं कर सकते हैं. Okay student, so here we use as a word bad, good, come and go. Now next is here some important opposite. Here the first one is here afraid. Yes, opposite of afraid, brave. Afraid means क्या होता है, डरना. and brave उसका opposite क्या हुआ, brave मतलब बहादुर. Next one is here empty. empty खाली. and full means भरा हुआ. small छोटा, big बड़ा. black, you know very well, black opposite of black, white. now next word is here deep. next opposite of deep here shallow. so deep means क्या होता है स्टूडेंट, गहरा. और shallow means क्या होता है, उतला. तो उतला मतलब जैसे कोई समतल जगह है वहां पर अगर कोई भी हम वाटर की बात करते हैं तो उसमें सतह पर क्या होता है, वाटर होगा. अगर हम डीप की बात करेंगे तो पानी क्या होगा, गहरा. ओके, सो हियर वी यूज एज ए अपोजिट ऑफ डीप shallow. dirty. okay, dirty means ganda, clean means साफ. clear? many, few, like, dislike, you know very well, right. The opposite of right here left. okay student, clear? now next is here bad, good, high, short. yes, give and take. so here we use as a word as a give. the opposite of give here take. okay, now next is evil and good. now next is here worried. worried means क्या होता है स्टूडेंट, चिंतित होना. yes, carefree मतलब उसको कोई भी चिंता नहीं है. तो here we use the opposite of worried, carefree. now next word is here great. opposite of great, little. next is stupid, intelligent, light, dark, old, new. okay student, I hope it's clear to you. now next opposites. yes, near, far. near मतलब क्या होता है स्टूडेंट, पास में, far दूर. left, right, cruel, merciful. cruel का मतलब क्या होता है कि हम जब बात करते हैं क्रूल है वो बड़ा ही क्रूर है, मर्सीफुल हम क्या होता है वो बड़ा दयावान है. तो हम यूज करते हैं the opposite of cruel, merciful. over, under, poor, rich, morning, evening, forget मतलब भूल जाना, रिमेम्बर याद रखना. विक्ट्री, डिफीट. विक्ट्री मतलब विजय, डिफीट, डिफीट का मतलब क्या होता है, हम हारना. तो अपोजिट ऑफ विक्ट्री, डिफीट. एबल, इनकैपेबल. हम यूज करते हैं एबल, वो क्या है, उस काम के योग्य है. इनकैपेबल हम कोई भी बात करते हैं तो ये जैसे यूज द वर्ड इनकैपेबल, द अपोजिट ऑफ एबल. यस, ही कैन, ही इज नॉट he is not able, हम use कर सकते हैं word he is not able. So here we use as opposite incapable. So here हम use कर सकते हैं it's incapable. Clear? Now next is here the exercise. Okay student, I hope you have to clear all the rules, and the one rule is here, as the cannot change, then it cannot follow the some rules. Okay, so good bad, here we use as a word good bad. Okay, evening morning. Okay, so they do not follow any rules, but the some opposites follow the rules. Clear students? So I told you about the rules of the opposite. So now let's take an example of the other opposites. Yes, early, late, carefully, carelessly. So students, so first of all you have to know that in your class, in the board exam, this type of exercise will come in a board exam, so you have to know about the opposites. So here, if you have to learn about the opposite, you have to remember the opposite, so you can give a easily answer. Okay, you can give a easily answer. So now let's start the question number 1. Complete the following sentences by filling up the opposite word to that of given in brackets against each sentence. देखिए हमको जो sentence है उसको complete करना है, तो by filling up the opposite word, क्या fill करके opposite word को fill करना है. bracket के अंदर आपको पहले ही एक word दे रखा है, तो आपको उसको opposite word write करना है. Clear? Number 1 sentence is there. One day Shivam and Nitin got up dash, and the word given in bracket late. एक दिन शिवम और नितिन उठे. उठे, अब देखिए the word is here given late, so here we use as a word early. Opposite of late, early. Clear? एक दिन, one day, एक दिन की बात है कि हम बात कर रहे हैं शिवम और नितिन जल्दी थे. Now next is here, the school is ours, let us clean it dash carelessly. The word given here carelessly, so we use as opposite of carelessly, we use as a word carefully. The school is ours, school हमारा है, let us clean it carefully. इसको सावधानी पूर्वक इसको साफ करें. Number 3, the elephant laughed thinking how dash rats could help them. So here word given here is big, so opposite of big is a small. The elephant laughed, elephant हंसी, thinking how, ये सोच कर कि कैसे. Small rats, हम बात करें किसकी, small rats की, छोटे जो rats हैं, could help them, ये उनकी सहायता कैसे कर सकते हैं. Number 4 is here, boys at first be quiet and listen to me patiently. So word given is here loud, the opposite of loud is here quiet. Quiet, so here you notice that the loud means क्या होता है, तेज बोलना, शोर मचाना, and हम instruction दे रहे हैं boy को, yes boys at first be quiet, पहले आप क्या रहें, शांत रहें या चुप रहें. So here we use opposite of loud, quiet. Number 5, you all are dash students. Yes, the what given is here as a bad, we have to write the opposite of bad, good. So you all are good students. Clear? Number 6, in many parts of India, Ramlila is organized during Navratras. Yes, here the word given here as a few, so here we write the opposite. So here we use as a many. Few means क्या होता है, कम, और many का मतलब बहुत. तो many parts की हम बात करें, many parts of India की, इंडिया के तो बहुत सारे parts में, बहुत सारी जगह रामलीला is organized during नवरात्र. तो जो रामलीला है, जो नवरात्र में organize की जाती है. Yes, you all know that नवरात्र will come in few days, है ना, आपको पता है ना, जैसे कि, तो here we use as a opposite of few, we use as a many. Clear? Now next exercise is here, the sentence given below have some underlined words. Okay, this exercise is different from a one exercise. So here the sentence given below, जो आपके सामने जो sentence दे रखे हैं वो उसमें क्या है, have some underlined words, उसमें कुछ underlined words दिए गए हैं. fill in the blanks choosing their opposite from the box. तो आपको उसमें क्या करना है, आपको एक box दे रखा है, उसके अंदर से आपको जो उसका जो correct suitable जो opposite है वो choose करना है. Okay students, so here box is given here and the words is also given here, so you have to choose from this box. Clear? Now let's start the exercise number 1. You are telling a dash, but I am telling the So here you notice the underlined word is here lie. You are telling a lie. So opposite of lie, the suitable word is here as a truth. So but I am telling the truth. Truth means क्या होता है student? सत्य. और lie means झूठा. So here we use opposite of lie, truth. Now next sentence is here. We should give up bad habits but always follow dash habits. तो हमको क्या करनी चाहिए? जो bad habits है उसको give up करना चाहिए, मतलब त्यागना चाहिए. But always follow और हमेशा follow करनी चाहिए. कौन सी habit? Good habits. So the opposite of bad is here good. Number third, the park of my colony is dirty, but the park of your colony is clean. The opposite of dirty is here. We use a word clean. Okay. तो dirty means क्या होता है? गंदा. Clean का मतलब साफ. Number fourth, love girls and boys equally. So here we use as a word opposite here girls. The opposite of girls here we use boys. Okay, so love girls and boys equally. तो हमको boys और girls से क्या है? बराबर ही उनको प्यार देना चाहिए, प्यार करना चाहिए. दोनों ही क्या है? Both are equal to us. Number fifth, man and dash of Rajasthan are brave. So here we use opposite of man. Yes, opposite of man is here as the women. तो हम use कर रहे हैं man and women. Do you notice that MEN and WOMEN हम एक से ज्यादा one than more की बात कर रहे हैं. तो man and women of Rajasthan are brave. जो राजस्थान की जो भी मैन है, जो भी आदमी है और जो औरतें हैं वो क्या है? ब्रेव है. तो हियर वी यूज एज अपोजिट ऑफ मैन women. Okay student, I hope we have to clear the opposites. Okay, so this type of exercise will come in your board exam, so you have to remember the opposite, you have to remember the rules. Okay student.